Hey there. So today I come to you to discuss a few areas and a couple of questions that I had been getting from last couple of days to address those, and specifically, how Nuwtonic can fit into your workflow, how actually Nuwtonic can help you. It is more of a workflow than a demo or than a list of showcasing features. No, I'm not going to showcase a lot of features and do this thing, but actually how hands-on it can help you in your day-to-day workflow, reduce your time, what exactly and where and how you can use Nuwtonic, right? So let's get started. Once you log into the system, sign up and log into the system, you need to connect with your GSC, Google Search Console, right? And for that you have to navigate to, once you log in, you have to navigate to the workspace area. So if you navigate, there will be an option to add workspace, connect your Google Search Console, follow the steps, and once you are done, it will take up to 1 to 5 minutes, and once you're done, it will be kind of a workspace created for you like this. It is one workspace for one domain or one website, right? This is one of our test site I'm taking today for this demo purpose, right? Once you come into the dashboard, you'll be taken to the performance dashboard. Performance dashboard is nothing but your GSC data. On top of that, lot of agentic actions and analysis has been done to give you insight on what needs attention, what are the URLs that you need to work on, what are the queries you need to work on, where, and single click you can optimize your pages, dropping pages. You can optimize your can bring back your missing traffic, analyze, drill down issues and fix those, right? This is the main purpose. So let's say we also got a lot of questions related to how Nuwtonic is different when compared to other GEO or SEO tools out there, like so there, one of the first area is this one. All the GEO or SEO tool out there, they give you, they do a lot of good analysis, and they give you end of the day a report or dashboard, which you have to carry it with you, hand it over to your SEO team or your team, or for you have to analyze those data dashboard and figure out what exactly the next step, what exactly actions you have to do, what queries it is missing, what URL are dropping, what queries are not covered, what issues you have in mobile or desktop. All this analysis you have to do, and finally take an final action to take those corrective measures to get traffic from AI search and Google search. So Nuwtonic is not SEO as a report, but Nuwtonic is SEO as an execution via agentic architecture. So coming to this, so as I told, this is a GSC. It is your own site's data, and based on a lot of different analysis that runs on the background 365 days, it highlights different opportunities and optimization scope. You can quickly click on any of this performance breakdown area and get to see further details. So let's say you want to see what, on this query, what are the URL you are getting traffic from, or for this URL, what are the queries you're getting traffic from. You can quickly optimize if you need to. Next section is forecasted opportunities. There are URL you can see, which are having optimization opportunity. You can simply click on this. It takes some time and do the fix for you. What is fix, how does fix looks like, we'll come to in a minute. Now next section is trends. So you will see traffic trends over a period of time. You can change the filter of the date, right? Now why this section is important, let's say you are analyzing website data for your analysis daily. So let's say traffic is going up and down. It is very difficult for you to analyze quickly where or which area or which week or which month traffic went up or went down, right? So if you look at this, you can quickly see which week it gone down, right? Which week it went up, or same goes for performance average and CTR, right? Question and CTR. Growth and decay gives you an opportunity for you to quickly identify areas of top winners and top losers. What URL are doing good, what URL are not doing good. You can quickly identify them, analyze and fix it. Device priority. Device parity is something where basically gives you distribution of your traffic, percentage of split of your traffic between different devices, right? Also give you analyze data which you can act on. Let's say this URL is doing good in desktop but not doing so well in mobile. So if it is already doing well in desktop, Google definitely trust that page, that content. So probably there might be some CLS issue or speedlet issues for mobile. That's why mobile position is bad. If you quickly optimize, the traffic will shoot for those pages. Now coming to top mover sections, it will give you highlight or analysis of what are the URLs are doing really well, right, in terms of differences of click comparisons and impressions and CTR impression, and what you can quickly optimize. So let's say if you click on this, it will give you optimization. So what is optimization? Again, I have kept it for some time. As I told you, it will give you CTR uplift, where basically it will show what are the queries that you have opportunity. So when I say opportunity, this CTR is 0.39. You can benchmark is 1.26. Well, you are ranking in relevant position. So you can quickly look at the high opportunity areas and basically taken corrective actions. CTR analysis, zero CTR queries. You are ranking, you are basically getting impression, but zero CTR. You can quickly look at those queries. You can quickly look at low impression, high CTR. Let's say you are getting low impression. You are ranking probably at the below, but still getting good CTR. That means there is a lack of good content that you have already written. You just need to improvise or optimize that. Same goes for high impression, low CTR. So let's say you are getting already good impression, but CTR is low. Probably your meta or meta description or some details, probably if it is optimized, it will simply jump up the CTR, get a lot of more traffic. Same goes for high CTR. Already getting high CTR, so means Google trusts you for your these queries. So it indicates that you have some authority on these, around these topics. If you expand around this topic, you can even get more traffic from these areas, and that's where the topical map will come into the picture later part of the discussion. Topical cluster is something where basically Nuwtonic analyze your whole site based on your data, and it will distribute the whole site into different topic clusters and how they are doing, how many queries are there under this cluster, how many clicks are getting under this cluster, which cluster is doing how well, or which cluster is not doing well. That you can quickly identify. Cannibalization is something you can simply identify. Let's say what are the cannibalized URL that you have, right, site wise, and you can quickly fix those cannibalization issues, right? Those things you can quickly do, right? So now next is Google trust and authority analysis. So you don't know by looking at GSC what trust and authority Google is already trusting your site, your brand, right? It will simply give you, okay, these are the cluster that you are getting good authority in Google. So basically if you expand around this, you'll again get more traffic. And if you again work on the interconnected topics or tangential topic on a topic that you are getting already good traction, also those authority juice will be passed to the next tangential topic, and you can expand on your traffic gain by providing some information gain. So this gives you simple, this takes the simple GSC data, hand it over to a lot of opportunity optimization you can do, which you do manually or your team does manually. Now keyword ranking is something you can track your keyword positions, impressions. This is based on Google Search Console. Again, there is something called SERP tracking. This is another keyword tracking based on SERP results. SEO audit and fix, you can simply quickly give a URL and a keyword that you are trying to rank for, right? Nuwtonic will do the audit, on-page SEO audit plus content audit based on your GSC signals. So let's say you have a URL that are getting a lot of impression on specific queries, but you have not covered them. So Nuwtonic will automatically optimize your content, schema, meta, everything. So you run this, and after the run is done, then basically you'll get this kind of visualizations and identification of what issues and severity and what are the type of issues that you have. And not only that, you can quickly fix it from here. So how this is a URL level analysis that you get. You simply click on review auto optimization details. It will simply give you meta, simply give you content, schema changes. It will simply tell you add this section after this area and why. Similarly to this. Now coming to the next area where you can see all the optimization that you have done, right? So basically once you run any optimization from your Google Search Console, now what I was referring earlier, right? If you click on here advanced SEO optimization, or if you click on here, right, any advanced optimization you do, it will take some 2 to 5 minutes of your time. You don't have to wait. All the optimization that you do from here, it will be stored advanced SEO optimization section. Coming to the next workflow. So we are all interested in knowing what prompt my brand is being cited in AI search engines like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, and etc. Right. So how Nuwtonic differentiate itself compared to other prompt, other areas, or other tools gives you prompts and you can run them, or they'll run it like on certain intervals and show you whether your brand is cited or not, your citation, and definitely a list of competitors. So how Nuwtonic is different than those tools? It automatically identifies your brand niche and give you the prompt that your brand should be coming up for, right? It will give you a list of prompts based on different criteria, based on different intent, and you can add them. After adding, it will come to manage prompt. You can simply click on them. It will auto trigger for the first time, and it will show in the run whether your site or brand has been cited in AI search or not, right? So if you so just to show you another prompt where it is not cited, it will show citation gap fix. You can provide the URL you are trying to rank for that prompt, and again run this. Click on this, it will run the advanced citation gap analysis and exactly give you the fix that you have to do to create more chances for that URL to rank in AI search. Now, next section is once you run this, it will come. There is a dashboard. You can see all the different matrices, KPIs, right? Performance dashboard, share of voice, mention share, visibility share. This is nothing different than other tools that we are providing. But here is the new area that is again another USP. It automatically highlights the competitors, and if you click on this, it will actually do the gap analysis for that brand and your brand. Identify that brand positioning, that competitor brand positioning, area of operating, right, niche, and the overlapping between your brand and your competitor brand. What are the missing keyword opportunities? What are search volume? Everything it will give you, and finally give you the high growth opportunities, competitive opportunities. Now, what we'll do with not knowing this, right? You have to act on it. So basically, either you can optimize any specific URL that you are targeting for the keyword, or you don't have written anything. We can quickly create a content on top. Or if you create a content, it will take you to the content agent, right? So that's how Nuwtonic bridges between dashboard to execution. Now coming to citation, you click on any prompt that you have tracked and it will give you citation and the competitor URL that is cited by the AI. Another very interesting section that we come up with, geo audit and fix, where basically you can run through any page that the possibility for you to rank in AI search, what are the gaps or the issues, is kind of geo audit, technical audit, and gives you insight what is the score and what exactly you have to optimize, like this. And again, from here also there is a button called run geo optimization. If you click on this, it will again optimize that page for you to apply, identify all the gaps, missing areas, and fixes, right? So basically Nuwtonic now moves from dashboard to execution for AI search as well. Next section, what we talk about, content generation. Unlike other platform, Nuwtonic is not only simply content data. You can use it like giving normal keyword and write the article, selecting language, country of SERP, which country you're targeting, include image, everything, right? But and all the generated article will be stored here. Nuwtonic actually is capable of generating topical map, which is unlike generic AI, unlike other platform, where it is highly trained on the computer gaps, highly trained on your brand, niche, and specifically trained on your whole site, whole GSC over the year. What are the topical authority you have? What are the weakness you have? What are the strength you have? Based on that, it will strengthen the strong areas and it will try to cover up the topical authority on the weak areas. So once the topical map is generated, you can see, and it will not be like normal topical map. You'll have clusters, you have category, topic, subtopics, subhubs, like this. And from here also you can take an action, right? Click on this, it will take you to the writer and write the article. It will do the brand analysis for you. So you can pass, when it will automatically do the analysis of your brand and niche and everything, and it will tell you brand overview, strategic analysis, content strategy, ICP, right? And also you can upload your brand color, brand logo, everything. Every image will have this kind of color and logo that you are generating, unlike other platform that you have. It gives lot of presets and settings for content generation for you. Based on your brand need, you can customize. Very interesting area, competitor gap. I quickly shown you previously. If you click on this, it will analyze your competitors and what are the visibility, association type, citation source, and why visible, what are the brand positioning, what are the strong areas, what are the overlapping areas with you and the other brand, it will show up. And if you select any competitors, right, and find the gaps for the specific country and language, it will analyze the gaps, and not only gaps, it gives you action item to work on high growth areas that you can act upon, like I shared. Keyword intelligence is another area where basically you can do the keyword research, and unlike other platform where basically SEMrush and all, it gives you keywords, right? You can definitely do great keyword research, but Nuwtonic, once the keywords are generated, what you do, you manually take 10,000 keywords or 1,000 keywords, do the cleanup, remove the duplicates, cluster them based on SERP or based on semantic clustering and unique keyword and secondary primary keyword. You take it for writing and give it to the writer. Nuwtonic does it on your behalf, the whole loop. How? Basically, once the keyword is generated, if you click on this SERP based clustering, it will do all the cleanup, all the clustering, all the duplicates removal, right? It will do everything, and also it can deep analyze this to get the trends and other further details. And if you click on this, it automatically will get all the cleanup, duplicates removal, clustering, and plan and everything. It will give it to you, right? You just, if you see here, prompting, AI prompting, right? It has under AI prompting, you have this many keywords. You can simply click on build content, blueprint. You can quickly do that, right? And you can simply see what are the subtopics, topics that you have to cover, semantic terms, computer gaps, and you can generate the content. If you click on this, again it will take you the here, and you can provide custom instruction automatically given what are the things that you are trying to cover, right? Very interesting module is auto traffic campaign, where basically we have seen traffic drops time to time for different brand, be it an algorithm update or be it a spam update or be it any content decay, anything, right? You are losing traffic. So basically Internet will take 65 days analyze your GSC, understand what content is falling under how many bucket. There are n number of campaigns that are there. Let's say get more click campaign, move to page one campaign, improve my ranking campaign, increase website visitors campaign, improve Google search results, fix underperforming pages. Like this, there are many campaign, and automatically respective pages will be tagged based on the agentic analysis, and you can run the advanced fix. Again, the similar type of fix you can see, which is much more advanced one, and you can apply those changes to bring your traffic back. Apart from that, there are many individual agents that you can try out. There are many tools that you can try out, and there are a lot of 20 plus 30 plus free tools that are out there. Apart from this, AI overview finder, AI overview keyword finder, low competition keyword finder, Reddit keyword finder, question keyword, buyer intent, zero search volume. This is also different set of tools that is out there. So Nuwtonic gives you enormous opportunity. It's more of a companion rather than a tool which helps you day in day out, right, to bring and to keep your brand visible across AI search and Google search. It's not like a tool that only built for a certain purpose, but it basically acts you along with your agency, along with your organic traffic need, be it AI search or Google search, anything. And we are improving day by day. Thanks so much for your patience to hear me so long. If you have any questions, suggestions, and definitely feedback, please let us know. Reach out to us. We are already building rapidly. Right? We love to hear from you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.